you've been criticised by blacks both inside and outside South Africa for working within the system.
Who are they in South Africa? I don't remember who has criticised me there.
Well, perhaps I'm wrong about that, but you have been criticised by various people for working within the South African system.
It shows abysmal ignorance. It shows abysmal ignorance of what we face as blacks in South Africa. And I've seen this abysmal ignorance in many parts, not so much in the leadership of these countries I've visited, but as far as the people are concerned, they are completely ignorant of what we face in South Africa. Now this this insinuates that there are options. There are no options at all in this policy. This policy is actually pushed down our throats, holus bolus, willy-nilly. I mean, we have to comply with it willy-nilly because we cannot abandon our people. We've got to be where our people are, because there's no question of choice. I mean, the people who peddle this kind of argument against me must tell me exactly what must I do. Must I abandon my people and come out here and be a refugee here? I prefer to make the challenges there without criticizing those who have left, because I know why they left. But at the same time, I don't think they're going to suggest that I must abandon my people and run out of the country, because there's nothing else I can do except to suffer with my people where they are and to serve them day to day and to alleviate in however more smaller measure their sufferings from day to day. This I regard as my moral duty. And I think that it is not actually the people outside of South Africa in these countries, people like Mr. Gora Ibrahim, for instance, the Asian refugee in Dar es Salaam, who are going to judge me. I think that it is the black people in South Africa themselves who have a right to judge me. And if you follow the events in South Africa, black people, be they colored, Indian or African, have full confidence in me. So that, therefore, it seems to me all political leaders, be they the president of Kenya, be they the president of Tanzania, or president of Zambia, I mean, their power flows from the support they get from their constituents. So as far as I'm concerned, I think I have no fear on this score. My people have confidence in me, and they appreciate, that I go to the limit, in risking and sticking my neck out in the situation as it exists.